Walking up, up, up. Hopefully there's a waterfall up here. Wow, so many people here, more fish down there. This is what they do to all national parks in Thailand, have all these walkways and steps and millions of tourists. I'm in two minds about how they do this. Lets people see what's going on, but it sort of ruins the place. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Here's some ancient monument here. Oh, there's a waterfall there. Oh yeah, okay. There we go, that's quite spectacular. No. There we go, guys. It's quite a spectacular waterfall. Just up there. Nice national park. Plenty of forest. Love to go camping. I've got a whole series of videos going camping elsewhere, untouched by tourists. That river was a mountain in northeast Thailand, but this one, as you can see, is for the tourists. I just prefer the natural environment, but it's still nice to see. There it is.